Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro sound not working. First, you should try playing your video, and you should see green bars moving in the audio meter when playing your project. If not, make sure that the solo option is unselected at the bottom for all your audio layers. For example, if solo track is enabled in one layer and highlighted like this, just simply click on it again to disable the solo track option. The second way is to go to the Edit tab at the top left. Let's go to Preferences and select Audio. From here, we're going to Audio Hardware. And for the default output, make sure that the device used in this is working. Click on OK. And the next step would be to make sure that no audio is muted by unselecting the M&S option on all audio tracks. For example, if M&S is highlighted like these, you can simply click on them again to disable the mute and solo track option. If those does not work, the next way would be to go to the Window tab at the top and select Audio Track Mixer. From here, make sure that all of the values of the audio channels are set to 0. For example, if one is set to other values, you can simply click on the number and set it to 0. And that is how you can basically fix Adobe Premiere Pro sound not working. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.